Buongiorno amici, bentornati to Love Heritage Food. Today we are cooking another traditional meal from Puglia's region. It is called Fave Cicorie, in English, fava beans and wild chicory. It is a simple and easy meal, but I can guarantee the taste is fantastic. If you haven't got the chicory in your area, you can use dandelion leaves or kales. These ingredients are for 4 people. You need 300 grams of dried fava beans, which you can find in any grocery. These beans are without the skin. Salt, olive oil, and 2 kilos of wild chicories. First of all, we need to soak the fava beans for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we clean the chicories. Just take off the root and those leaves that look bad. Cut in 3-4 pieces. By the way guys, chicories are good for stomachache, cholesterol and constipation, whereas kales have vitamin C, are antioxidant and helps for lower cholesterol as well. So these are the chicories cut but still dirty, full of soil. So we need to rinse 2-3 times, and we can also leave the chicories to soak while we boil the water. The water is ready, let's add the chicories. We cook it until we have tender chicories. This meal has Greek origins. In fact, in 450 before Christ, Aristophanes mentions these meals in one of his comedies called The Frogs. We add the salt, however, since chicories are bitter, it's up to you if you want to add salt. Now let's cook the fava beans. Make sure the water covers the beans. As soon as the water boils, decrease the heat to low flame. Cover with a lid and let it cook for about 1 hour. The chicories are ready, so let's put in a bowl. We need to drain because we don't want that much water. Now that the fava beans are cooked, we want to make a nice puree. So you can use a vegetable manual grinder or a manual blender. Look at that, how nice and smooth our puree is. Now let's put our puree back on the heat for just a few more minutes. Add salt, olive oil and mix it well. It's ready, look at that. I promise, this is worth. It's lovely. Buon appetito! Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more of these recipes. See you next Saturday!